cleaners, also called air purifiers, are useful for reducing air pollution, allergens, microbes, and smoke in your home, especially during wildfires that make a lot of smoke that can really irritate our lungs. When you get your air cleaner, it's very important to read the user manual that comes with it. This piece of paper will have all the information you need about your specific device, how to use it, special functions, as well as when and how to change the filters. Today, we're going to give you some general tips on using an air cleaner. When you get an air cleaner, here are some things you should think about. Where should I put my air cleaner? Well, that's a good question. Put the air cleaner in the room that you will be spending the most time in. Luckily, residential air cleaners are portable, so you can move them around the house. Air cleaners need some space around them to work properly because they're taking in dirty air and pushing out clean air. Some air cleaners can go against a wall, while some may need some space. For the ones that need space, about 6 inches from the wall should work. It's also okay to put your air cleaner on the ground or on a table if you'd like. It's important to make sure that all windows and doors that let outside air in are closed when using your air cleaner. Remember, we want to clean the air inside the house. If the windows are open, you're letting in more air from outside that can be contaminated with smoke, dust, and other pollution. Air cleaners come with different fan speeds. All air cleaners are most effective when on the highest fan setting. When the air quality is bad, it's important to set your air cleaner on the high setting so that the air can be cleaned quickly. Some air cleaners have an ionizer feature, like this one. We recommend turning this feature off as it may not be as helpful for cleaning the air. Many air cleaners come with filters already installed. We recommend opening your air cleaner to make sure that everything is properly installed and your filter is not wrapped in plastic. Filters don't last forever. Some devices may have a light that shows you when you have to change your filter. After a couple months, you will have to change your filters. You can also check the user manual to see how often you have to change them.